What's up, cruisers? Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. Today's video is super exciting. We just installed the boot forks yesterday and the shock covers. Now we're going to be installing the front light cowling.
Ooh, fancy.
Okay, let's get started. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put the instructions up on the screen. As always, we're gonna remove the back bolts here, then we're gonna remove the side two light bolts. The indicator little lights. Then these two lights on the side of the light. These two bolts come out. All right, the next part, this plastic piece goes on. Goes on right there. And it came with 4 new bolts, so we're gonna put those in. All right, I'm gonna give my light a quick wipe on the outsides here. Be able to clean that after. All right, we finally got the one side out. Now for this side, this side seems to be a little easier. Definitely. All right, now we'll get our frame. And our frame is going to go around the light. And these parts come around. Okay, that part's on. All right, once you got your frame on, all the other parts tightened up, then we're going to, comes with 4 little rubber brackets, or 4 little rubber grommets or something. Put those in the holes here. And we're gonna put it on. All right, here's your front cowling.